Even if you are just starting out, you might be making these 5 common mistakes. Let's fix them now. Mistake 1. Never say I'm agree. Agree is not an adjective. Just say I agree. Mistake 2. With he, she, or it, always use has, not have. Mistake 3. After can, don't use to. Just say she can sing. Simple. Mistake 4. I'm go is wrong unless you say I'm going. For daily habits, use simple present. I go to school. Mistake 5. With did, the verb stays in base form, so it's didn't go, not went. Like and subscribe for more easy English lessons.